Hello, welcome back to another video. So today I got a shipment in, so this is kind of more or less an unboxing of sorts for today. So I ordered this off of Goodwill auctions. It was kind of one of those things, it's like, you see it and you're like, man, I have to have that. And it's actually something I've been after for a little while, and when I open it up, I'll explain a little bit more about why I purchased this, but I think it's pretty cool. Most people watching this are probably going to see this come out and you'll be like, really? That's what you ordered? But like I said, I'll explain why I got this and why I'm pretty excited about it. So let's open it up and see what we got. And we'll start by opening this up. Alright, we got packing peanuts. You can probably do without all those packing peanuts. Right. Goodwill does a pretty good job for the most part of wrapping things up. I do want to try and save the bubble wrap. Oh yeah, there it is. Oh man, look at that. Oh yeah, look at this beauty. It's a little dusty, but I mean, that's to be expected. So, basically the story here is I've actually been after an alarm clock for a while. Not that I'm even going to be using it to wake myself up in the morning. I have a cell phone for that. I mean, I'm not that, not that old school. But I want a clock in my bedroom. I don't have one up there. So I figured, hey, if I'm going to be putting a clock in my bedroom, I might as well get something kind of retro and cool. And I just fell in love with this thing when I saw it. I mean, it's got the wood grain finish. Definitely indicative of the 80s. It has a tape deck on it. I don't even know if that works, but and look at how smooth that goes up. And what's kind of a nice touch too is it still has those stickers, the sticker from the factory on it, and usually people just tear that off. It's got a couple different wake times on it. You can put on the radio, you can wake up to the radio, and wow, it's just everything is moving smoothly on it. It's got nice clicky buttons. Well, these are kind of more rubbery, but snooze button's nice and clicky. I mean, these just don't get build quality like this anymore. So, I mean, yeah, I mean, that's pretty much the story there. So, plug it in and I'll show you what really did it for me. So yeah, this is what did it for me, this display. I mean, it's just like a nice crisp blue. And I know it's probably not coming up on camera as good as it looks, but I mean, I just love that because that's not something you really see much anymore. It's kind of like drab. I mean, this whole alarm clock to me just kind of has character, and that's what I like about it. Alright, so let's see if the tape deck's gonna work. That's what I'm really curious about. So I got myself some Halloween sounds because I don't want a copyright strike. So let's see. I don't believe those are Halloween sounds. Or maybe they are, I don't know. So, yeah, I don't think let me try rewinding it. It does not rewind, nor is it fast forwarding. Okay, so the tape deck is gonna absolutely need a little bit of attention. So yeah, that's that with this video. So thanks for coming along on this quick little unboxing and super quick test. I had to try out the tape deck, and well, you saw. doesn't work. So I got to figure out what's going on with that. I kind of have I have a couple ideas on what it might need. It did kind of look like the tape was spinning a little slow, so could just need a belt and a clean, but we'll see. So that'll be, I'm thinking about doing a couple videos on this, one for the clean and one for repairing the tape deck, so it's just not one like 30 minute video of a freaking alarm clock. So I just wanted to show you guys this video, or this alarm clock, and make a quick video on it. So thank you so much for coming along on this. If you like the video, and please subscribe so you don't miss any future videos, and hit that notification so you're alerted on when I post anything new. And if you have any comments about this or any ideas for future videos, please leave a comment below, and I'll respond to it. And that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for coming along on this, and I'll catch you on the next one.